Okay, so this is just going to be a short video to show you a capacitor working. Here I'm showing you a kind of standard size capacitor. You find these in lots of electronic components. But the one we're going to be using today is a little bit bigger, just because it makes it easier for me to show you what's happening. Now it's attached to a resistor here, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We'll talk about why the resistor is important in a later lesson. Now I've also got here a small LED light. Now just to show you there's nothing funny going on here, I'm going to plug in my LED light to my capacitor, and what you can see is nothing happens. Now I'm going to charge up my capacitor. So I've got a power supply here and I'm connecting up to my capacitor just for a few seconds, allowing the capacitor to charge. And then I'm going to connect my capacitor back to my little LED light. And I'm going to just turn off the lights here so you can better see what's happening. And I want you to pay attention to the brightness of the light. So as you can see now, our capacitor is discharging through our LED light. What we can see is that the intensity of the light is very high at the start, but falls off very quickly. And as we continue to discharge, the intensity drops off at a much slower rate. So I want you to think about what that might look like on a graph. And that's going to help us when we start to consider the graphs for a capacitor discharging.